Saya merasakan perkara ini terutamanya melalui perhentian keselamatan harian dan latihan berkala kami. Semua orang mematuhi prosedur yang jelas dan keselamatan sentiasa diutamakan. Ini memberikan saya keyakinan yang kukuh terhadap cara syarikat beroperasi.
At our company, we get off work earlier before holidays, so we have time to prepare and head home. There are gifts for occasions like Women's Day and generous holiday benefits throughout the year. We also receive a free annual health check. There's a cafeteria with Cantonese and Hunan cuisine, plus noodles and more, clean and well managed.
For me, the most rewarding moment is when the green light turns on in quality inspection. Every step, every effort pays off in that instant. It's a true sense of pride.
I feel both proud and deeply responsible. Every PCS I build here powers homes across the ocean. I am proud to be part of the global energy transition.
Achievement, responsibility, global.
Proud, relaxed, happy.
Peace of mind, happy, trustworthy.
Ketenangan jiwa, selamat, boleh dipercayai, inklusif dan memberi ganjaran yang lebih.
Energy for all.
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 Energy for all.